Hi guys, welcome back to the Nox Bennett channel. Today we look at another series, and we say given that bracket negative x negative 1 xy2 2 times negative 1 1 3 and a 10 6b. So it says find the value of a, b and y. Now it's very easy. All we have to do is to multiply. So this is the rule. Multiply these and then equate it to this. So let me just rewrite. So we have negative 1 x y 2 times this. So once it's grouped like that, it means multiply. So we have 2, negative 1, 1 and 3, and this must equal to all of that, which is a, 10 and 6b. So a, 10, 6b. So let's multiply. Now we know that when you multiply, it's supposed to be row times column. So these must be in rows and these in column. Negative 1 times 2, that would give us negative 2. X times 1 would give us positive x. So here we have x. Let's go. Everybody's supposed to know this. Negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1. X times 3, that gives us positive 3x. And we'll continue like that. So we're on to row 2 now. So it's y times that, which gives us 2y. 2 times 1, which gives us positive 2. And the last one, y times negative 1, that will give us negative y. 2 times 3, which works out to 6. But remember, we're supposed to equate it to this. So it's a, 10, 6, and b. So from here, guys, we're just going to form some corresponding equations. So negative 2 plus x must equal to a. 1 plus 3x must equal to 10. 2y plus 2 should equal 6. And negative y plus 6 must equal to b. Let's do. So we have negative 2 plus x, that equal to a. So we just doing the corresponding and then we solve. Alright, everybody should have the idea. 1 plus 3x, and that must equal to 10. And we just continue like that. So we have 2y plus 2, and that must equal to 6, because 6 correspond with it. Let's proceed. So we have negative y plus 6, and that must equal to b. So there we have it. We have all our equations. So now we're going to inspect and see which one of them we can solve immediately. I would say x, because we have one unknown here. It will be difficult to solve this because you have 2 unknown. This would also can solve because it's readily. Alright, let's go. So let's solve for this. So we have 1 plus 3x is equal to 10. So we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. So 3x is equal to 10 minus that. That's 9 divided by 3. So x is equal to 3. Alright, let's find y now, because we can. So we have 2y plus 2 equals 6. Subtract 2 from this side, so it would be 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4, and then we subdivide by 2. So y is equal to 2. So we'll find 2 values already. Now that we have y and that, it's so easy. Look, we're going to substitute, so it's going to be negative 2 plus x equal a. But what is x? We know the value of x to be 3, so it's going to be negative 2 plus 3. So a works out to 1. Alright, let's find this one. We already know the value for y is 2, so we're going to substitute. It's going to do it right here. So that will give us 4. So the value of b is 4. Oh, you can't see it, guys. You can't see it. Let me make you guys see that part. Alright. So we have negative 2 plus 6 is equal to b. So therefore, substitute the 2, so b is equal to 4. Like and follow for more. Then I'll spend it tomorrow, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video.